Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be looking at how we can plot multiple variables on a chart. So let's take a look at this chart here. You see we have gas sales and we have station number. So I've just plotted the gas sales for each station. Now what if we want a chart that has both gas sales and other items? So how can we do that? So what we want to do is we want to just select from the cell A1 to the cell C11. So we can you just left click and then you hold that down and then you pull there to select that, and then you want to come to insert. So usually the first one, the order matters a lot because the first one is usually x-axis, while the other ones obviously are the y-axis. So you want to come to insert and then you want to click a scatter plot. Let's take the first one there. Good. So if you see the first one, if you take a look at that, you're going to see how you can take a look and see how the sales vary. You can see that you have the gas sales, the gas sales are around here, and then you have the sales for the other items. Good. So we can edit the scale in order to make it more readable, because you see all of this space here is empty, right? Good. So we have that, but basically that is it. You see that here you have the gas sales from the legend here, and then you have sales for other items, which is plotted here in red. So you have squares and some sort of diamond shapes here. Good. So you can edit it in order for your graph to look more readable. How do you do that? You have to come here to layout, and then you come to you have axis. You come to axis here. So we want to work with this vertical axis because it starts right here, whereas the minimum is like 6,000 something. So we want to take our minimum from 6,000. So how do we do that? We come to axis, primary vertical axis. We want to come to more vertical axis options. This dialog box here opens up. From minimum, we want to change the minimum. So we take minimum from automatic, we go to fixed, and I want to take our minimum to be, let's say, let's take 6,000 to be our minimum, right? Let's take 6,000 to be our minimum. Good. And then yes, the maximum is what's the maximum amount here? We can take the maximum to be, let's say, 14,000, and take the maximum to be 14,000. 14,000, we have that. And the measure unit, you can change the measure unit as well. It increases with the difference of how many. So we can take, let's take 500. 500 is going to be quite a lot, but let's see how that works. We can take here, let's take 500. 500, let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit messy. So we can just, but that is how you go about that. So you take close. Good. So you can see how our chart looks like. So that is how you plot two different variables on the chart. You have your legend here, and then you have the variables. Okay, so you have 3 different variables. Thank you very much for watching. If that video was helpful, please make sure you hit the subscribe button.